Hey everybody, it is the Penny Live, and today we are starting our first part series of a vintage Shasta camper trailer. It is a, what was it, a 1979 model 2100, and it is very old. It's really old, broken down basically, and we are going to try to restore it and fix it up. We had to stop and get parts and just car parts and everything, wheels and such, so we can transfer it to my father-in-law's house. So that's where we'll start working on it. So in the meantime, enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys when we get there, okay? Hi, we are here to pick up the Shasta. So it needs a lot of work. And it's very broken down. We had to get tires because of that. So we're gonna hook this up, and then we are going to haul it to my husband's father-in-law's or father's house, and I'll do a show run on the inside. But yeah, 1979 model 2100 Shasta. It's a lot of stuff to do with it. A lot. So, wish us luck. So we made it to my parents-in-law's house, and I'm going to show you the inside. Make sure the bees aren't in here, because there was a wasp nest in here earlier. Maybe they drove out when we were... Nope, they're still here. I'm going to turn this camera around. There they are. Just a-chilling. Like nothing has happened. So, as you walk in, this will be the refrigerator and some other bullshit. This is a dining area, and there used to be a top part that came down to turn into a bed. Back up a little bit. Yeah, there's so much stuff we need to do. All the wiring has been chewed up. This camper actually has been sitting for about a good 2 to 3 years, so mice and wasps and anything else you can think of has made it its home. Sorry about the adjustment on the lighting. Some parts are dark, and so the sun's trying to adjust, and my camera's trying to adjust. Oh, fudge. So yeah, we will be replacing this whole thing. So you turn to your left, you got a kitchen, cabinets, obviously the sink, an outside window, cabinets above it. Just some random stuff up here. Oh crap. Oh jeez. We got AC up here. A stove, which we're gonna end up either replacing it or just taking it all out and just doing one of those stove tops for us with, like, you know, propane attachment. Obviously we will need to replace this. Another cabinet. This bathroom, hi, is still somewhat in a good condition. So we got all these, toilet, a cabinet, and jeez, a little air freshener. A shower. I'm definitely gonna try to backsplash or something. Make it waterproof. Hello, spider. Oh, that's a jumping spider. Oh, hey, no. Let's see. Yeah, they never really cleaned it out. Apparently the guy that passed away in here 2 years ago, he lived out of this. That's why the outside was all discolored. So this back bedroom, we are going to take it all apart. And this will be like a closet with a table that comes out. We're going to take it all out. And we're going to turn this into a big master bedroom because the front will be the kitchen. And there's a wasp line. Crap. In the kitchen we'll have, like, you know, the table that we need. And then we're going to add that top layer bunk that comes down because the bottom will turn into a bed as well. So my kids will have a bunk bed since I only have 2 right now. So these were either the couches or not the bed, obviously. Because these came down into a bed. So it would be like a 4 bunk beds. And so this pulls up. As you can tell, see mouse traps and everything. There's not really much to do here right now. It's just the walkthrough. And yeah, so much to do. So much electrical wiring. Thank God my parents are coming down because my dad is an electrician, so he will help us. There is a lot of things we have to do, not just on the inside, but also the outside. All the electrical wiring. We'll have to scuff this all out so we can repaint it, reseal everything, clean out all the windows. The guy that passed away in it, I guess lived in the forest, so he tried to blend in obviously half of it. And this was obviously the front. Like some of the vents don't even go all the way through to the house or anything. That's supposed to be above the stove. There's a lot of things that need to be cleaned with it. Wheels need to be refixed. Need the strip to fix this all up. So we'll do that whenever we start taking off the outer shell, because that's what you got to do mainly, is to fix the outer shell first. Like this whole area just on this side was full of just aluminum foil and such. He even tarped the back windows or foiled the back windows. So like everything is either rusted or rigged. So yeah, I don't even know what this is yet. Oh, okay. Water heater. Got ourselves a water heater that definitely needs to be replaced. There you go. Little awnings. Supposed to be motorized on the inside, but I doubt that. Just a lot of things need work. We need to sand off the surface rust and find the VIN number and start fixing up from here. But yeah, so it's a lot of work, and we definitely have a year's worth to work with. Yeah. So I don't know what else to show you guys. Just we got it here, and now we're gonna figure out what we gotta do. So thanks for watching. This is part 1 walkthrough, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye.